Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Hello everyone. I hope you all are in a wonderful days. Have you had prayed to God for increasing your knowledge and blessing you for a good health? We must thank to Allah. We can work, we can talk, we can watch this video and following the rules for staying home. So you, me, and all of us remain safe to protect each other from the bad viruses. Do you still remember what things to do for staying fit and healthy? Yeah, eat nutritious foods, maintain self-hygiene, do little exercise at least 15 to 30 minutes. Get enough sleep, consume enough water. Talk about water. Besides, we need it for drinking. Could you tell me the uses of water for life? If we use water for drinking, Mommy used it for cooking, for cleaning, for wash the vegetable, fruits, and sister used it for cleaning. Everyone need it for bathing. Even plants need it for growing, and fish need it for swimming. Wow, so many. Do you know water has a cycle for staying excess to be used by living things? How is the cycle? Let's observe together. Okay, for this experiment, we need the clean plastic water bottle. Take the empty one. Bowl, cup or plastic glass. Pass a cup of water. Put coloring. Use the blue one. It's optional. If you have no any blue food color, it doesn't matter. You can skip this item. And marker. And this plastic, we use it to cover the sample because we will play with water. Next, draw cloud, sun, water, and land on the side of the bottle. Here. Quarter cup of water and blue food coloring. Yes, we mix it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Through this experiment, we can see that the water cycle works when the sun heats up the water and it leaves the ground. The liquid water goes up into the air in the form of steam or vapor. When this vapor hits cooler air, it changes back to its liquid form and creates clouds. When so much of the water vapor has condensed and the clouds are heavy, the liquid falls back down as the rain. Then the water cycle starts over. It is continually in motion. When the water falls back down, we have to praise God for the blessing of plants that need water to grow. So, let's follow me to read the dua when it rains and after the rain. Here we go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma sholiban nafi'an. Ya Allah, bring beneficial rain clouds. Ya Allah, turunkanlah hujan yang bermanfaat. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mutirna bi fadlillahi wa rahmatih. We have been raised by the grace and mercy of Allah. Kita dicurahkan hujan dengan anugerah dan rahmat Allah. Okay, that's all our experiments. I hope you can make it at home and observe the cycle. Love your green veggies, colorful fruits, have enough water, and don't spend too much time staring at screens. Be a good girl and good boy for mommy and daddy. Okay? Thanks for doing this experiment with me. See you at another activity. Assalamualaikum. Bye.